Good morning, children. Today we are discussing the third chapter of GK, that is Forts of India. Indian rulers were well known for building grand forts. The rulers lived and governed their territories from these forts. The forts contained palaces, state treasury, and other important buildings. Read about some of the magnificent forts of India and find out who constructed them. You may use the help box. Okay, so we are discussing about different huge forts of India. Okay, what do you mean by treasury? Treasury means where money and other precious stones and materials kept. Okay, so the first one is Jaisalmer Fort. Okay, let's read. It is one of the largest desert forts in the world, situated in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The fort stands proudly amidst the golden stretches of the Great Thar Desert on Trikuta Hill. Its massive yellow sandstone walls turn into a tawny lion color during the day, fading to honey gold as the sun sets. For this reason, it is also known as the Golden Fort. It was built in 1156 CE by a Bhati Rajput ruler, Raja Raval Jaisal. Raja Raval Jaisal. It is built by him. And it is also called, this fort is also called the Golden Fort. Now let's move to the next one, that is Amber Fort. This is the picture. Now, built in 1592 CE, located 11 km from Jaipur, Rajasthan, the most splendid sight of this fort is the Hall of Mirrors. When royalty lived here, they would light a single candle at night, and due to many tiny, intricate mirrors, the entire hall would light up. It was built during the reign of Raja Man Singh. So this Amber Fort, what is the speciality? The king have to light only one candle to light up the hall, big hall. Why? It was in the four mirrors. There were mirrors, and so four walls there were mirrors, and so that's why by lighting one candle, the full room hall will be lighted up. Okay, and this is built by Raja Man Singh. That is Amber Fort again. Okay, next the third one is, we know this, no? Red Fort. A 17th century fort is situated in the walled city of Old Delhi. This was the palace for Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan's new capital, Shah Jahanabad, the seventh city in Delhi site. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. Sorry. It was built in 1648 CE by Shah Jahan. Red Fort. Okay. And here, some interesting fact is here. The beautiful Kohinoor diamond adorned the royal throne of Shah Jahan. Adorned means it was kept there for beautifying the throne. Okay, the throne of Shah Jahan, the Kohinoor diamond that was kept, that was decorated, the throne of Shah Jahan, and the Divan-e-Khas of the Red Fort. The precious stone was later taken away by Nader Shah, and today it is part of the Royal Crown Collection of England. Okay, now we are moving to the next fort, that is Mehergarh Fort. Okay, Mehergarh Fort, located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, is one of the largest forts in India, located at the center of the city. It comprises some of the most beautiful and historic structures like a Moti Mahal, Phul Mahal, and Sheesh Mahal. Entry to the fort is gained through two main gates, northeast and southwest. In 1459, the foundation of this fort was laid by Rao Jodha. Rao Jodha. Okay, so this is the fort. Now, next one is Agra Fort. This is also familiar to us. Okay. Located near the Taj Mahal, it is one of the most important forts built by the great Mughals. The Khas Mahal inside the fort is a white marble palace and is one of the best examples of paintings on marble. Agra Fort was originally known as Badalga Fort. Okay. It was built with red stone by Akbar, great Akbar, built this Agra fort. Okay. Now the next one that is nearer to us. This is Purana Kila, old fort. Purana Kila is situated on the banks of river Yamuna, where Humayun built his capital Dinapana. Okay, the founder of the Suri dynasty. Sher Shah Suri named it Sher Shah. Shergar. The fort was supposed to be unlucky for people who occupied it. Today, it is the venue of the light and sound show that presents the history of the ancient seven cities of Delhi from Indraprastha to New Delhi. That is that much. The chapter is discussing about six important forts in India. Okay, and here is a homework for you. I didn't write the answer because it is a homework for you. See, internet search. Okay, you have to search for it. Otherwise, ask to somebody for the answer. Name the forts. You have to name it. Okay, it is the homework of today. It was built by Jai Singh II in 1726. It is also known as the Victory Fort of Rajasthan. If you are searching the Victory Fort of Rajasthan, you will get the answer. Okay, this fort is famous for its acoustic effects. A clap at Fetch Darwaza entrance can be heard clearly at Bala Hazar, the highest point situated about 1 kilometer away. If we are clapping at the Fetch Darwaza, that can be heard clearly at Bala Hazar, the highest point situated 1 kilometer away. It's a hill and the mountain and 1 kilometer away from this Fetch Darwaza, and the clap can be heard by us, anyone. Okay, so that is the end of the chapter. We discussed about six main forts, and this is chapter 3. Okay, we will discuss chapter 2 in the next class. So read this and know which are the name of the forts and who built it. Okay, you can also make a 6 or 7 short questions, one word questions from this chapter. That's easy. When the exam comes, you can learn very easily. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.